What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving for those of you in the US. Today, I'm back with another video. On yesterday's video, I actually had a cool comment by Jonathan. He's asking, Bitcoin is new gold. He's talking in reference in my video. Can you talk about the cryptocurrency POWR ledger in your next video? I would love to get your opinion. I'm hearing they are involved in solar power and have a contract with the Australian government. Currently, it's under $1 and has a lot of room to run. Coin ticker is POWR. Thanks, man. Great videos, by the way. Appreciate it, dude. Working hard on these videos, so I'm glad that you're enjoying the content. I could definitely take a look at it for you. Basically, I don't know too much about the company, rather the crypto POWR ledger, but I did a little bit of research and basically, you're on the right track as far as what's going on with them. Definitely a new ICO, very interesting. I'm gonna head over to the CoinMarketCap just to take a look really quick, and then hop over to POWR and let you know what I look at or what I'm seeing from a technical standpoint. A lot of interesting things happening in the market today. Ethereum, guys, keep telling you to pay attention to this. It broke highs today, right? At 400. Pushing through these levels right now, liking the volume that's coming in and want to see a little bit more. Not totally too impressed with the volume that's breaking through, so I don't know if it has enough to kind of power through this, but we'll see, right? I'm definitely keeping an eye on it. Just something I've been talking about in past videos. Bitcoin Cash still creeping up another 20% today, which is interesting to say the least. But let's take a look. I have noticed it coming up on the the exchange, right? So like I think the last time I checked earlier in the month, POWR ledger was around, I want to say like in the 40s. So it's definitely making moves, that's for sure. There's their market cap is definitely increasing by a lot. I want to say it was in the 100 millions when the last time I checked it. Like I said, which was earlier in the month. So it's making moves. Look, it seems like a lot of people are backing this thing. So let's take a look at the chart. Up 5% today alone, which is pretty cool. 81 cents. Let's see. All right, cool. So yeah, so we know it's a new ICO. Looks like it got to start this month. So that is a crazy move. People that invested early, wow. So it looks like they're up over, I don't know, definitely over 300, 400% since the beginning of the month. That's insane. Wow, what a nice move up. No wonder that it jumped on the on the charts right there. Well, what was it? 28, I think it was. Yeah, 28. So, man, these coins are super speculative. It's had a really nice run up. Where do I think it can go from here? It's a new territory. Honestly, with action like this, we could see this run up another. I don't think $2, $3, $4 is that far off from where this thing could go. I mean, especially if the volume's coming in. Just check out this volume, guys. So earlier in the month, you see the volume coming in a little bit, then a little bit more uptick in this volume. But when the volume really came right here, that's where it really started pushing this thing up. So the volume is definitely there. It is very speculative. If you have money to lose, it might be good to kind of take a shot in here. It could make you a really nice return. It's too new for me to kind of give you a definite. I'm not saying it's definitely going to go into the $2, $3, $4 range. It definitely could, especially with the volume, like I said, that's coming in, and especially all the people that are backing it. So I did a little bit of research on it before I wanted to do this video, just to get a little bit more information on the company, what they're doing. I think they're definitely making moves. I definitely think they're on the right track, and I definitely think they're in the right position to continue moving higher. So I like this as a speculative investment. I'm not going to be investing in this, but I'm not saying that you shouldn't. I'm not saying you should either. But I do think it has room to run. We're in new territory right now. I think a good place to get in would probably be, as it breaks this high. If it starts breaking this high, it's probably going to go, to the $152 range fairly quickly. I mean, it's risen incredibly this past month. So there's no reason why it couldn't continue its run up. So I found this recent article. I wanted to read it to you guys. So the Australian crypto power ledger price up 509% just this month alone. This came out the 21st of November. This blockchain power company, Power Ledger, for those of you who don't know, I'm going to give you a little bit more information about this company just in case if you guys might want to invest your own money in this. Here's just a little bit more information about it. The blockchain power company, Power Ledger, had a remarkable weekend, rising 116%. There was no reason for this, but a combination of factors that's working in their favor. Supported by the federal government to the tune of $8 million, the company is chaired by the Deputy Lord Mayor of Perth, Dr. Gemma Green. Power Ledger aims to digitize the use of energy. The company has developed a peer-to-peer platform that will dramatically lower energy prices. This will be done by creating microgrids to support the main grids, focusing on water and electricity. This might seem complex, but in reality, it's pretty common sense. Peer-to-peer traded energy. Imagine a neighborhood all equipped with solar panels. These houses could produce, store, and trade electricity based on need. Some houses would need extra, and some would have excess. A return to simple bartering and a shared sense of community. Fanciful as this seems, there is no need to imagine the trials have already begun. So definitely new opportunity, new ground, definitely groundbreaking, and definitely it makes sense, right? All what they're doing. The city of Fremantle is about to undertake a live test involving 80 houses. The groundbreaking technology does not want to compete with the main electricity networks, not at all. Ideally, they will act as microgrids that can work independently or in support of the major grids, a support layer. Now, in a country like Australia, this is great because we can lower our energy bills. But imagine the benefits to the third world where 79% don't have access to electricity, right? So this is huge for third world countries, right? Electricity is a building block of modern society. So your first thought might be on our reliance to the internet. However, without electricity, you have no ability to store food, vaccines, or medicine. If you can't store food, getting food and water becomes the core duty of your day. Even worse, if you can't you can't even access basic medication. Energy poverty affects 2 billion people worldwide. So this is huge, guys. Like these guys, like I said, they're positioned to be a huge player in this space. It sounds like they're first to market, which is even better. That's probably why they're getting so much backing and so much funding, and so many people are learning about this and piling on. So I kind of like this. Definitely think it's a good speculative play for sure. Probably one of the better ones out there. So I would definitely take a chance on this. Like I said, if you have some speculative money set aside, I don't think it's that bad to get in. So I would definitely take your chances there. So Jonathan, thank you for the comment. Appreciate you coming through, stopping by the videos. If you have any other questions or you want me to take a look at any other tickers, I'd be happy to do so. Just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do them in a video for you. So if you can just do me a favor and like and subscribe to my channel. I come out with these daily videos every single day. It helps support me, and the channel helps me grow. So if you like the video, definitely leave me a like, leave me a comment, and definitely keep subscribed. I come out with daily videos, so you're going to see more of this on a daily basis. So thanks for checking in. I appreciate you guys. Happy Thanksgiving, as I said in the beginning, if you guys are in the U.S., and I will see you in tomorrow's video.